Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to explain about blue eyes technology. Do you think that it is possible to create a machine which can interact with humans? Yes, it is possible through blue eyes technology. What is the main difference between humans and machines? Feelings. Machines can't feel or sense, but humans can feel and sense. What happens if we put feelings to machines? Is it really possible? Yes, it is possible through blue eyes technology. For example, I am working in office. The manager angrily ordered me to complete the project within 2 days. Then I opened my laptop. How would be if laptop starts speaking with me like, "Hi friend, how are you? How was your day? You seem to be very bad mood. What happened?" Do you think that it is possible? Do you think that machine will interact with us like this? Yes, it is possible because of blue eyes technology. So, what is blue eyes technology? Blue eye technology is a technology which is used to design a machine such that machine can understand human emotion, human perception, human expression, etc. And machine can analyze and satisfy humans. To build such a machine, we use blue eyes. Okay, how this technology got the name blue eyes? The term blue eyes. Blue in the term stands for Bluetooth, which enables reliable wireless communication. Eyes, because the eye movement enables us to obtain a lot of interesting and lot of information. Emotional computing. So eyes don't lie. We are giving a eye system to machine such that it can capture all emotions of humans by observing eye, by scanning eye, and by facial expressions. So, how blue eye technology internally works? There are mainly two components present in blue eye technology. One is data acquisition unit and second one is central system unit. What data acquisition unit does? It will get input data from user. Those input may come from keyboard, mouse, etc. Even this data acquisition unit gets data from human emotions, human perceptions just by looking the facial expressions of users. The information is called raw data and this data is transferred to central system unit through the Bluetooth. So this Bluetooth in data acquisition unit transfers all the input which is collected from the user and it will transfer to central system unit with the help of Bluetooth. So then what the central system unit will do? It will just analyze the raw data and it will finally decide what exactly user is expecting. For example, if a human is in a sad mood, so this data acquisition unit collects the user's input. That means it collects that particular person is in sad mood and it gives that information to central system unit. Central system unit takes the information that human is in bad or sad mood. So this central system unit analyzes that situation and it tries to helps the user, which means that it tries to make some jokes or it tries to motivate. So this central system unit satisfies the users. Internally, what are the technologies used in this blue eye technology? So the first one is emotional mouse. In emotional mouse, there are some sensors attached like heartbeat sensor, pressure sensor, temperature sensor. If you touch the mouse or if you shake the mouse, by just analyzing the parameters, It can understand the emotions of human beings, like whether he is cool or whether he is happy or whether he is sad or whether he is disturbed mood or whether he is tension mood or not, etc. Such kind of information can be collected by emotional mouse. And the second technology here used is manual and gauge input cascading magic. It reduces the cursor movement needed for target selection, which means that just by tracking its eye movement, machine can analyze using with facial expressions whether the emotion of users will be detected. And the third one is artificial intelligence speech recognition. So it recognizes human voice. And next one is simple user interest tracker. It helps by fetching information at desktop, notices where users eye focus on screen. It fills a scrolling ticker on a computer screen with information related to user task. For example, if reading headline pops up the story in a browser window. And the fifth one is eye movement sensor, because machine just scans eye, so we place an eye movement sensor. Conclusion: in the future, ordinary household devices such as televisions, refrigerators and ovens may be able to do their jobs when we look at them and speak to them. Provides more delicate and user-friendly facilities on computer devices. Gap between the electronic and physical world is reduced. The computer can be run using implicit commands instead of explicit commands. And the most important application is, for example, if the driver is moving very fast, it gives an alarm message that you are driving fast, drive slowly. If driver feels bored to drive car, automatically it will play some music to entertain drivers, so that minimum to minimum we can prevent accidents, because this technology alerts the user, alerts the driver to be in an alert position. So this is the information about Blue Eyes technology. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe. If you want this PPT, you can mention your mail ID in comment section, so that I will send this PPT to you if anyone is required. Thank you for watching.